we are here at our little, well, not little, but it's a community sawmill just a couple miles down the road. And when you have a horse farm, you actually do things like drive to the sawmill because you get a product that is like a waste product for them, which is the sawdust. And that's what we use at our horse farm to put in our stalls. Because that kind of like a litter box, cat litter, but instead it's for the horses. And instead of getting a little bag at the store, you gotta go to the sawmill and you gotta get a big scoop.
Sure, you just get one scoop?
You gotta get this big scoop because we have 6 horses. So, anyway, this is our trip to the store for the litter box, for the stalls. And there you go. Now I have paid as much as $20 for a nice bag of kitty litter, but here I paid $20 for a scoop, one scoop of sawdust for the stalls. Now what we will do, obviously, is we will have to take our little litter box stuff here, our sawdust, take it back home to the horse farm, unload that, and put it in the stalls. And that's what we do to keep it nice and clean and dry for the horses. And there you go. This is our trip to the sawmill. There you go. Getting our scoop. And now we will go back and do what we gotta do to get that nice pile into the stalls. Smells good now, but later it turns into a different pile that we take out. All right now. All right, and thank you so much.
All right, anytime.